Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be working on the X5. We'll be replacing the rear brakes. We'll be putting on the rock and pinion. By the way, we got this from scrapyard for 300 dirhams, which is about $100. So I moved the good stuff from my old one to it, so it's almost done. There's a lot of things to be done with the X5. Well, I've got a full crate of parts. I just got this the same scrapyard because mine is, oh, I don't know where it is. It's all crunchy. It's all crunchy and almost at the end of its life. I actually don't know where I put them. Yeah, and then I bought a hose because from my past radiator replacement, I've kinda damaged this groove. There's a piece that has broken off, that's causing a small leak. So anyways, I got this from the scrapyard also. So and then I have this, which is from China, Shenzhen. And then this is from the States, Lexington, Kentucky, KY. Is that Kentucky, USA? This is for the key. Oh, I'll make a video about this. And then double Vanos repair kit. And another one from China. These are ribbons. This is very famous when it comes to BMWs. I'm sure you all know this. The dead pixel issue of BMWs. And side mirror, which I already replaced. And emblem for the rear. What else is here? Oh, I guess that's it. I was thinking of putting oil separator, but then BMW system works well, so I don't know. Maybe in the future. And yeah, those are the things. And I have to buy also this part, which disappeared. And I need to do a paint job of the rear. There. I need to do a paint repair on this one. And probably did another detailing job because it's been detailed last year, and the paint job was done 2 years ago. So yeah, there's a lot of jobs that needs to be accomplished on this baby. But for now, I'm gonna start with the brakes and then this one. So the rear brakes are done. Rack and pinion are in. Haven't done the alignment yet. Well, my OCD is acting up. I did saw a small leak from crankshaft. So I am going to change the seals. And then I did found out something about the hose. Well, this is the hose that I got from the scrapyard, and then this is the original one, which is where the broken part is. It's different. I think it's a hose for an E46. So the bends are clearly on the wrong place. So what I'll do is clamp this. I'm gonna remove this and then put this one here. So this broken part will be off, and then the new one will be in, and I'll be using the right hose for the car.